Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to go ahead and change your year on Google Earth satellite view and you're looking at how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started with the process. So you can start by opening up Google Earth for that, the particular application for Google Earth. And once you open up your Google Earth, you can find a specific location you would like to change your year in. So you can either use the search at the top or you can zoom out and go to that specific location when you're on satellite mode. If you're not on the satellite mode, you can basically look out for the two box at the top right corner and select it. And then select the option of satellite, the very first option on the type, which is the photorealistic Earth imagery. So you can select it and then reach over to the map and go to the certain location that you are trying to access. You need to have a good internet connection if you'd like to view it clearly. Now, once you do so, if you want to change your year on Google Earth satellite view, if you're using a mobile device, again, you need to head over to the same two box at the very top right corner of your screen and tap on it. And within here, you can scroll down and go to the section and look out for the option called time lapse here. So find time lapse, or if not time lapse, you can look out for this option called historical imagery. So there are a bunch of options available. You can look out for those usually related with time and select it. You can turn the toggle option for that. And once you do, you will be taken back to the main screen. Now here on your this option right here, you can directly look out for a date option in the bottom left corner. Now, if you'd like to look out for the specific location for different years, you can select up the date and then you can customize it, or you can use this arrow button and then you can select what date you would like. After that, you can just go and play it up. And there you will easily be finding the differences that you may be looking for. So you can just go and do so. So you can see in 2013, 12 Jan, it was like this. And whereas in 1985 it was like this. If you'd like to view it in the newer years, you can see in 2015 it changed overall like this, and in 2021 it changed to like this, and in 2023 to 2025, whatever you're looking for, you just need to look out for that option of historical imagery, and then you can just go over and customize it yourself and look out for the year that you're trying to look out for and view the specific details or the satellite view of that specific location that you're trying to view. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.